This video will show you how you can use Browzine to easily browse and read journals and keep up to date with the latest issues. You can access Browzine online or download the app for your mobile device. If you want to use it online, start by finding Browzine on the intranet. Browzine is linked to the journals available through Cardiff University Library, and new journal issues will be added as they are published. When you access Browzine for the first time, click on My Bookshelf, then sign up to register for an account. You can then create a personal bookshelf of your favourite journals and articles. To find journals, you can browse by subject area, or search for a particular journal you're interested in. You can browse the journal volumes and issues and also see new articles in press. In Browzine, you can create a bookshelf of your favourite journals. When you've found a journal you would like to follow, click on Add to my bookshelf. Select My Bookshelf to access these favourite journals. You can organise and rename your bookshelf by topic or research interest. To rename a bookshelf, click on the Edit icon. To move journals to a new bookshelf or bookcase, click on the menu icon, select Move, and then click on the location you'd like to move your journal to. Red icons show when new articles have been published in the journals on your bookshelf. You can clear these alerts by marking the individual issue or journal as read. To read an article, click on the article title or download the PDF. To export articles to your reference management software such as Zotero, Mendeley, and EndNote, select Export Citation. You can save key articles for future reading by adding them to My Articles. Click on Save to My Articles and select the General Collection or create a new collection. In My Articles, you have the same options including Download PDF and Export Citation. To help you keep up to date, you can set up email notifications in Browzine. These emails will notify you of any new articles published in the journals you've added to your bookshelf. You can select either weekly or daily email notifications. We hope you found this video useful. If you have any further questions about using Browzine, please contact your subject librarian.